Yep. Oh, hold on, girl. You gotta fix your little thing. Oh, hold on, girl. Here we go. See, she pulled me off into the ditch. She does this every time. We run down that hill, and then she pulled me off into the ditch. I ain't done this in a while. Had Ralph for the walk. It's been a couple days, last few days. We've been coming early. He hasn't been out. Oh, he's feeling real energetic today. Dang, I never seen him run that fast in my life. Ralphie! Wow, they're full of energy today. Whew. Whew. This is my workout. See what I mean? I wanted to show you all that. What I've been doing at the beginning of the walk is she takes me for a jog. Yeah, takes me for a jog, and I'm like, okay, I'll try it. Then we hadn't had Ralphie come with us for walks in a few days. Yeah, he hasn't been here in a few days. Well, we haven't seen him around. You know what I mean? He hasn't been out. I mean, like, whew. I'm trying to catch my breath still. He hasn't been out in a few days. I don't usually record this soon in the walk either, but I won't. When I seen he was there, I was like, oh, I want to record it, you know. When they greet each other, it's very cute. And yeah. Yeah, I don't usually record at this part of the walk because the mail